Hi guys, and welcome back to Crochet Rocks. My name's Tracy, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to decrease when doing a treble crochet. That is highlighted on your patterns as TR for treble, the number 2, and then TOG, tog, treble, 2 together. And so that's how we decrease when we're treble crocheting. I'm still, do you remember the swatch, guys, when I did the treble crochet tutorial? So I'm just going to carry on from there. It's the premium Aran Poundland yarn in ecru, and I'm going to just quickly, while I'm talking to you, treble to the end, and we just do that in the usual way, treble in each stitch along. Did I go in there? Yes, I did. All the way to the end. I'll also show you how to increase afterwards, because, you know, just as we decrease, we also have to increase in treble. And they're both fairly easy. It's more tricky to decrease, but once you've got the hang of it, everything's fine. So we just need to get to the end. So we've got 2 stitches left. We've got 1 stitch and the turning chain, which obviously is classed as a stitch. And to treble 2 together, we go into the first stitch as if we're doing a normal treble, and go around the hook and pull through 2. And that normally, if we were doing a treble, we would yarn over and pull through the rest, but we leave it there, yarn over again, and we go into the top of our turning chain, which is basically our next stitch and difficult to get into, and we yarn over and pull through. So we'll now have 4 loops on our hook, and we yarn over, pull through 2. So this is now joining those 2 together. We're left with 3 loops on the hook, and we yarn over and pull through all 3. So we've now just attached those 2 trebles together, and that is how we decrease. So we crochet 2 chain and turn, and I'll show you at the end of this row how we increase. So we will go all the way along. I could show you anywhere actually how to do an increase, but it might be easier to show you at the end. Pull some more yarn through. I will probably show you one more time with the treble 2 together. So to do an increase, we simply go into that stitch twice. That's far easier than doing a decrease. So we'll do 1 in there, and then we'll go back in and do another. So we've now got 2. So that's how we've got a very strange looking swatch now. We're slanting, aren't we? So we'll do our 2 turning chain, going to our next treble. Didn't pull out enough yarn. We'll go all the way to the end, and we'll continue our strange shape swatch, not squash. And I'm just quickly trebling to the end. And by all means, if I'm going too fast, just pause the video, but I just want to get to the end so I can show you the decrease again. 1 more, and then we're at the end. So we've got our last 2 stitches, the last treble and the turning chain. We go into the first treble as if normal and go through the first 2 loops, and we leave the last 2 loops on the hook, yarn over, and we go into our turning chain, the top one, and as if we're doing a treble into it, and we'll get 4 loops on the hook. Yarn over and pull through 2. Now we've got the 3 loops on our hook, and these 2 are being joined together because we'll go all 3. And as you can see, we're now starting to decrease, and you can see that it's sloping. And you just keep on doing that at the end of your rows. An increase would just, if I carried on in this vein, it would just slant in that direction. But it's not too difficult. It is unusual, I know, to have the 3 loops and to go through, but that is how we treble 2 together. Remember, in US terms, it's a double. So if you're working on a US pattern or tutorial, when they say double crochet 2 together, it would be DC2 tog. So that's it basically for increasing and decreasing in a treble stitch. I hope that's been helpful to you. If I could ask you to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click on the little bell at the side of the subscribe button, and you'll be notified when there's new videos in the series. Thank you very much for watching. Bye for now.